Hey, hi, this is Prasanna from Trade Zone, and thank you so much for watching this video. This video tells about how to trade very simple using this the volume profile indicator, and it's a commonly available tool which is I'm using Zero as of now. So let me just show you how we can actually make use of it and trade very simply. So I prefer taking F&O stocks for example. Um, Many front of stocks are there, but I just found this one pretty interesting to show as an example. So Titan, so the Titan, we need to just mark it as a 4-hour time frame, and from there, I can actually have a volume profile chart. So I'll find something like this in my right side, and you can change the colors as well. So let's not get to that part. Right. So basically, volume profile is nothing but following the footprints of the bigger players, and you can actually mark, decide your entries, and decide your exit as well. So, for instance, if I want to plan and enter for next month trade, let's say if I'm an Jan end, I would like to plan my trade for the month of February. February is not arrived yet. My volume profile will be looking something like this now. So from here on, I will try to enter mark my zones over here. So for this chart, it has to be 1582, and then it drops over here. The volume drops over here. Again, it drops over here. We can see all the big spikes, and then slowly the volume degrades. So we need to mark where the volume actually falls out, and we need to mark those areas, not these areas. That is where most of the people might get trapped. But I'm using this when the volume is reduced, automatically all the big players will be out of this game and they'll be trying to push it back up. So since I've marked the A zones, so these are like most important zones for this stock. Let's see how this works for the month of Feb. And what I preferably do, if it is coming here and doing some um, spike like this, and if it is if it is getting rejected, I'll try to take an put option at the money, or having some, if I'll be happy if I'm taking like 100 points in between between these two, somewhere around these two, and 1500 call option or put option based on the entry. Okay, so what I find actually here is I'll wait if I either this zone or this zone getting breaked out, or if it is getting rejected in either of these zones. Okay, so let's see how this goes. So basically it has just replicated from here, and I can see rejection, big rejection over here. So here I'll try to make an entry. So at 10th of Feb, it is exactly 1500 Titan put option. We would have got this price around somewhere around 25 to 30 rupees. Let's say 30 rupees as well. Okay, 30 rupees. It is very good money, and so the stock has a lot size of 750. So you just require 750 into 30, 22k or 23k max for this trade, and from there on you can actually hold on it and wait for the targets of 1405 or these levels. Even if you make like 1400, it's a great money, right? So since you're making 1500 put option, it'll be like in the money by then. So let's see how this works. From there, just from 8th of October, just came down here. You can see the levels getting hit, and you can actually book your profits by 115, which is the most lowest part. And by 22nd of Feb, you can actually see the price. It went up to 100. From 30 to 100, we made like 70 points. 70 points is nothing but 70 into 750 with one lot of put option of 1500 Titan put option. We have taken 52K as profit. So this is a great money, right? Even for monthly, you can actually simply calmly hold on to it until this 4 hour candle just goes above this one. If it goes above this one, book your loss genuinely and actually wait for your next entry. If it is getting right out above this, go for a call option. If not, just hold on to it. So I'll book my profits basically here and just wait for the next trade. We can actually find much more. Now I'm expecting this to go until here. Let's see. So we can try to find many other examples as well. So like Jubilee Foods, um, college properties as well. So let's see how this works. So let's see for college property the same way it is getting loaded. We don't know what will happen during the month of Feb, and just mark your zones properly. Wherever the volume actually drops, you just may need to make a note of that part. And this is where the volume actually faded out exactly. Okay, or you can actually mark this one. Since we have one more spike over here, I think is one of the best zone, and then it is over here. That's it. So I have three different zones. Let's see how it has worked. If in the case of top, if it is in middle, I will not take any trade mostly. Only if it is on top or bottom, I would always go for my trade confidently. See over here, it is trying to cross C. It is not getting reversed, so it is trying to cross it. So let's see how this has reacted to the for the month of Feb. It has kept on insisting for the entire month. It just hold on. It didn't move any further, but it just simply just fallen out from there. If you see again, it has broken these levels and just came down to where we almost hit an target of so and so. Let's take another example. Ball paint. So this is one of the most important zone where the volume is actually dropping, and this is another place, but I don't want to mark this one. It's very close by, so I would rather mark this place since I find a big spike and it's getting rejected here, and I see a volume drop over here. So other than this, I would prefer doing the trade only here for the stop because I find many supports over here which started falling. So better this is enough. So over here you can see for the month of Feb it has actually hit the target here. From here exactly the volume has raised. You can actually see it from here. On 3rd of March you can actually see what happened. This particular stop. Whenever this entered this zone, it started pushing higher and higher and higher. From 685 it has moved to 740 to 745. So would have made easily money. 750 call option would have made some good money. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you so much.